trying to figure out what this function stuff is. I'm scared the shit out of me.
Sorry.